Hi there. This is Kiran, your happiness life coach, and welcome to Case Cafe. Friends, as you see from my surrounding, I'm in a beautiful resort with my family just for a short break. So while I was here, I really thought that I must, tell about why do we need a break. And I really needed one. For past 7 8 9 months we've not been out of the house, and we were just stuck up in the house working from home. So this break was very much required for me as well as my family. So why do we need breaks? As we know, life is so busy nowadays, and we have seen in the past few months that it has really taken us given us a very hard time when we have been at home, but we've been working from home. So though we are at home, but we have been working, say 24 into 7. I'm sure you agree with me. So it's kind of not really giving us that break for going out or having a short vacation with our families. It's been a very, very tough time. Of course, we were very resilient, and we have come through a long way, and we have proven that we are really very strong. So coming back to breaks. So as I told you, life being so busy, and the routine and the schedule is so very busy that we at times we feel that life has become so monotonous, the routine is so monotonous. You may be working in a very nice environment, maybe even if you go to office now, but that monotony of working, 9 to 5 or 9 to 10 maybe, or round the clock, becomes really tiring. So mentally, it's very important for each one of us to have that change in our routine. So having that change of place is a must. So it can be just say a staycation where you just go out, maybe with your friends to a small place, a drive down place where you spend a night out, or you just come with your friends or family in a resort like this and you stay with your family. So that change of place brings kind of pause. It pauses you and makes you relaxed, makes you feel it's kind of a breather for all of you, that you have changed your place. And this change of place, the change in the routine, the environment, good food, good weather, good place, good people around, it really boosts you. So for the next working kind of atmosphere, you are regenerated and it recharges you very well. So when we are regenerated and recharged, we are up and about once again, and maybe next 6 months, 8 months, or maybe a year goes by very, very happily. So guys, breaks are very important. Even when we are, I remember in college time, we used to have breaks. Even during the classes, we have breaks. Why? Because scientifically it says the brain can only take in up to a certain extent. You can't stretch it. You can't overstress yourself, whether it's your physical body or your mental, the mental side of you. You just can't keep stressing yourself. So guys, think about it. It's time. The weather is nice. One must go out, think, plan, and take a break and regenerate yourself, which is really going to help you come back in full form with full life again. A happy you, and I'm going to catch you once again very soon. So let me enjoy my vacation, and you plan one for yourself very soon. Take care. This is your happiness life coach at Case Cafe. Bye bye.